you do? When I say fight, we're gonna attack the one behind you, okay? Alright. What the heck? I'm just... Crap, where'd he go? Dude, it's part of the freaking video. I gotta freaking start over now. I know, I said it was part of the video. I have a mic. I'm gonna freaking start all over now. No, you ran away. It's part of the video where I say, where the heck did he go? Oh my god. I'm doing it right now. Just get your stuff and let's do the same exact thing. Except don't run away. Let me kill her. I said let me kill her. Dang, man. Do you want to be in a video or not? Okay, so what do you want to do then? I can do that too. Yeah. Watch. Just follow him. Follow me. Right from where you're at. Follow. See? And if you wanna... I don't know. I guess you like talk to the banker. Alright, so what do you want to do? Go ahead, I'll do it. Follow someone else who's outside. Alright, well, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna do a video. I don't know, I'm gonna do something. I don't know. I know. Do you want to be in a video or not? Or do you want to make money? Okay, bye. I'm going to make a video now, so bye. I'm just going to do something. I already did that in Grinderscape 101. That's like... I just said, and for the new players, don't buy this, because it's glitched. Do you want to watch, can you like watch my video? Bye. I don't know, I just, what we were going to do, and you ran away being a freaking idiot. Like just now, you just left, but I'm going home. I don't care what you say, I'm going home. I like wanted to make a video right there. Play along. And you started out, all you had to say was, hey, YouTube. Not, oh crap, I'm still recording.